Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the FAMCAL app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the FAMCAL app is a strong choice for families looking to stay coordinated. It offers shared calendar, to-do and shopping list, and a real-time syncing across users, all in a user-friendly interface. Many users says it has a genuine help to reduce double bookings and improve overall family's organization. On the flip side, some user reports syncing delays, a subscription model that many found too expensive, and fewer privacy control they do like. For example, you can't always hide certain events from other family members, which can be annoying. And in conclusion, if you have a busy household and you want the app to manage events, list and tasks together, FAMCAL is worth using in the aspect. Just be aware of the cost and check that if it fits your sharing and privacy need before committing. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.